Okay, so in the previous class, as you know, we learned our last hyperlink type. First hyperlink type, external link. Second, we learned the hyperlink type, that is the image link. Then we learned the internal link, that is internally linked in the web page. This is the syntax. Now, I want to show you something. You have to give me answer. Have you seen this type of web page or such a hard paper? Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Where? कहाँ पे देखा है आपने ऐसा कुछ? बताओ जल्दी. Have you seen this type of thing?
Ma'am,
This type of,
can you please speak a bit louder?
okay, have you seen this type of web page or any hard paper?
Yes, ma'am. Google Forms.
Yes, ma'am.
Google form is one there. Any other web page on the web page? Where you see it? कहाँ पे देखा? कैसे देखा?
Ma'am, Epic Scheme.
Where?
Epic Launcher.
Okay. This type of form.
Ma'am, when we creating a new contact or email.
Email.
Yeah, for that purpose we are, yes, you are right. On that time we are enter all the details of us. Very good. Anywhere, any other place you can see. कहीं और देखा हो आपने ये वाला ऐसा कुछ? Online examinations, whenever you will give for examination, that time you can see this type of image. First one that I show you. पहले जो मैंने दिखाया था सबमिट बटन वाला. Okay, now have you seen this type of image or this type of thing?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
form?
Google Forms.
Yes, ma'am.
Google form, yes.
Between us.
Between us, anyone else?
Ma'am, it comes in any website.
It's already written, it's a reservation form. Whenever you are booked as something for the reservation, that time this type of form will be in front of you. Already written on the top. No one noticed that. Already written on the top, this is the reservation form. Whenever you book your flight or for the train, for the bus, online, that time you have to be fill this type of forms. This is called the forms, right? Everyone knows that. This type of form, anyone?
Yes.
Where you can see this type of form?
Shopping websites.
Yeah, on the shopping website, it will be displayed expiration date for the whenever you are using the debit or credit card. That time you have to be enter this thing. Then here is the address, contact information, phone number, and that is a one button will be there, submit. Okay, here you can see on this form. I want to show you something that is a one button also. When using of that, you can submit all your details, right? Now you already show this type of web page online. Sometimes it's offline available. Whenever you go for the banking, for the opening a new account, you fill this type of form and give it to the banker to open your bank account, right? offline also you can see that, online you can also there. Now we are going to create this type of form using of HTML. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. First is the given name, that is a one box that is called the text box. Here is also text box. Here is the button. On the second form, that is also a text box is, okay, this one. On here, you can see that this is also a text box, first one. Right? Second is also a text box. Third, you can see here the arrow in which you have to select your option. There are the such options given to you. You have to select from that. Other text box are given to you. Here is also text box are there. But after it, you can see such round button. Anyone know that what is the name of this round button? Anyone? किसी को पता हो ऐसा? Usually,
We have to choose.
yes, choose between the from that. For example, it will be always came for the gender. You have to select from the male and female. This is called the radio button. You can select between from that only one. This is also text. This is also text. So now we are going to create this type of form that you can already see. Already you filled this type of form online. That thing we are creating using a HTML file. So first of all, what is the form? You can see here one of the example of the form. यहाँ पे text भी आ गया, radio भी आ गया, drop down आ गया, check box is also there, and button is also there. This is the this is called the form. Whenever you see it online, offline also it's available. Okay, now let's start. Firstly, I'm creating. I already create a structure of HTML. Okay, yes. I already create a one HTML structure. Now I'm going to write down the title, forms. Firstly, I'm going to save it with Control S. Save, choose your destination where you want to be save it. Write down the name of your file. In place of the normal text, I'm selecting the hypertext markup language and saved it. Again, I'm going to save it. In place of new one, I'm writing here forms. Sorry.
Ma'am, but below is normal text file.
But I want to change the name of it now. So you can see here. Whenever I choose the hypertext, it will be show me, but here it's not clicking. That is some issues on my laptop.
Ma'am, try to change the name first and after that use hypertext markup language.
And ma'am, don't select hypertext markup language. Directly put the extension of .html.
But I cannot put it. That's why I know that, but I'm unable to write any single thing here in the file name. Okay, I'm doing the one thing.
Ma'am, it is okay if its name is new one.
Saved on the grade 7. Place of normal text file. Using the hypertext markup language and save it. Done. So it's saved now. So firstly, I'm write down the title, that is the forms. So we are going to create a forms. Firstly, remember There is the form element. Whenever you have to create a table, you have to write down the table tag. Whenever you are going to create a forms, you have to compulsorily write down the form tag. Opening, closing.
Ma'am, every Google form link is made like this.
No.
Sorry. So from first form element is the form tag you have to use. Now we are talking about the attributes of the form tag. Form tag is used to create a form. Simply, first listen to me carefully, then I show you the practical. What is the form attributes? There are the two attributes of the form. First is the action attribute. Why we use the action attribute? It is defined process to be performed on the form when form is submitted. You can see that submit button is there. So whenever you want to use the submit button, now that purpose you have to compulsory use the action button. अगर आपने action attribute use नहीं किया होगा, it will be not allow to save your data. Second is the method attribute. What is the use of the method attribute? It will allow you to browser uses to submit the form. Action attribute is used to save your data and method attribute is used to get your data. आपको data enter करने के लिए method का use करना पड़ेगा. Two type of method, post method and the get method. What is the post method? When we want to process the sensitive data like a password, that time you have to use the post. That time it will be show the dots now. Whenever you are enter your on the betweeners, your password, it will be show the dots. So on that web page, it is use the post method. And when we have to use the get method, whenever you enter your text, name, address, simply text, or you want to choose the radio or the any other things that is enter in your form, that purpose you have to be use the get method. For the password, you can also use the get, but it's not a secure for the password. Now, input element. What is the input element? For example, have you remember the OL and UL that you learned in the previous year?
Ordered list and unordered list.
Yes. What anyone can tell me what is the syntax of the OL and UL?
OL.
OL, then
UL.
tag
UL.
as OL opening tag, then in that li tag, write down the name, close the li, then close the OL. Right? This is the syntax. Whenever you are writing OL, it will be allow you for the number. Right? Same, if you want to enter the different types of things, जैसे हमने form में देखा, if you want to enter the text, for that purpose you need a text box. If you want to use the radio buttons, for that purpose you need a radio buttons. So for that we have to use the input elements. There are the 4 input elements you can use. Actually it's a 5. First is the text button. Second is the radio button. Third is the submit button. Fourth is the checkbox that is used for the multiple choice. First, we will be learn this 4, then and go for the 5th one, that is the drop down list. So first, how can you enter your form? How can you create? Firstly, you have to be write down. For example, you can see that on the name. Let's this one name, that is a one space. First there is a heading written the word of fruit. So I will be use that for the form. The word of fruit. Hoping that everyone remember how can you add the background on your body. Now, first you can see that here is the name, and after that there is a one text box in which you can enter your text. Name है तो आपको name enter करने के लिए text box चाहिए. So for that you have to use the input tag. Write down, make a one space, write down input space type. Using of this, you are allowed to create your text box equals to, whenever you are writing double quote text. अगर आप यहाँ पे text लिख रहे हो तो आपको text box बना के देगा. Now with type you have to write down one more attribute of input, that is the name. जब आप submit बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तो कहाँ पे सेव होगा, उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे name equals to double quote. For example, I'm using N1. आप name भी ले सकते हैं. जो हमारा name होगा वो कहाँ पे सेव होगा? It will be stored on the name. Now close it and I'm saving it. Let's run it once. You can see here that is the one text box.
And it is able to type.
Yes, but you have to use the action for that now. First I show you the text box now. Then I will be show you how can allow you for the typing. That purpose I told you that you have to use the attributes of the form tag. अभी हमने form के एक भी attribute को use नहीं किया. You can see that is only I'm using the form. So it will not allow you to enter a single thing. So for that purpose, you have to use method. First attribute is the action, second attribute is the method, equals to, two methods are there, get and the post. Post is used for the password, so I am using the get. So it will be take input from the user. So I saved it, then F5. Now you are allowed to enter. आपने नहीं लिखा था तब तक वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहा था. I am removing it and then I show you. Again I saved it. F5. Abdullah, what are you doing, beta?
मैम गलती से हो गया.
गलती से नहीं होना चाहिए.
यस मैम.
Okay. I am removing firstly the action part, sorry, method part. So now I click on the text box, it will be not allowed. Again, I'm refreshing it. I forgot to save it. So it will not allow to enter a single word to you. Sometimes some of the browser are allow us to enter without a method. Whenever you write, you don't write down the method, it is not save your data. जब आप name enter करोगे, सब कुछ enter करोगे, तो वो आपका data save नहीं करवाएगा. So for that purpose, for that purpose, you need to compulsory add the method. That is the get method. For simply entering the text, you have to use the method get. It's a compulsory that you write for the creating the form. Simply यहाँ पे हम name लिख दिया. Now second row we are going for the second row. That is the address. Here is also a text box. Identify what will be given to you. आपको identify करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे क्या बनाना है. This is called the text box. This is called the button. You can see the small rounded button is called the radio buttons. So first, second is the address. So I'm creating it. Here I'm using the BR tag for the new line. Address. space, again write input space type equals to double quote text. मुझे वापस से text box चाहिए इसलिए मैं वापस से text ही लिख रही हूँ. Now what should you have to write down in the name? Address different place पे save होना चाहिए. For that purpose write down the different name equals to double quote ADD. You can write down of your choice. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं आप कुछ भी लिखो. जो लिखा हुआ है मैंने लिखा है वही लिखो, ऐसा नहीं है. Choice is yours. Whatever you want to be write here. So I am writing your address. Close it. Save it. Alt tab and go for again address. I am taking one more BR text, so the line will be came down. And the third one you can see that is the email. So I am using the third text box also. I'm copying it. B. In place of address, write down the email. Change the name as both are not saved in the one value. I'm suggesting your name should be of your first name. आप जो लिख रहे हो यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू एंटर करवाने जा रहे हो वही नेम आप रखोगे, वही वैल्यू आप रखोगे. That is easy for you. For the web developer actually to find which value they are entered. F5 and you can see the difference. 3 text boxes are entered. Now, okay, you can see that here there is a radio buttons. 4 radio buttons are entered. How many pieces of food do you eat per day? So I am writing that thing. How many fruits? I'm writing in the short. Okay. Now we are doing a radio button. For entering a text box, we are writing in the type the text. Now you want to enter the radio button, so you have to write down the radio in place of text. So I'm here input, right here input space type equals to radio, RADIO equals to radio. Now space name equals to, you have to write down the save for the name. For example, first name you are saying, so I am taking a R1. You can choose your name. Now we have to also display the value for the radio. You can see on the form. It's a first is the 0. So write down here a 0. So it will be show as a radio button. Space and taking a 1 here. Now saved it and show you the output. Pressing the F5, so you can see the radio button is there. You can select it. आप उसको select भी कर सकते हो. F5 again. Now putting the second, that is the 1, 2 and more than 2. These 3 radio buttons you have to be entered. So I am taking copy of it. Control C. Enter. here I'm writing one, changing the name by R2. Third one,
Ma'am,
yes.
uh,
But please know that what you want to ask, but please wait for the output. I know that what you want to ask, and I'm expecting from you only. Then two. First, let me show the output, then ask your question. Okay, Malhar?
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to show you the output F5. So you can see how many fruits are eaten. 0. Taking one here, so it's easy for you to understand. F5. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, and more than 2. Now, whenever you are using the radio button, it will be always for the gender purpose, male, female. I'm going to select, for example, 0. Now I forgot that I'm it too, but you can see both are selected. Can anyone tell me the reason? Whenever you are fill the form online, you can only allow to choose one option for the radio button. Can you tell me why I'm allowed to select all these 4? Anyone have an idea for that?
No.
Whenever you are show any web page, have you allowed to select only one radio button? ऐसा होता है कि सिर्फ आप एक ही radio button को select कर पाते हो?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
दोनों को आप एक साथ नहीं select कर पाते हो, right? Why it will be happen whenever you are using a radio button? For the all the radio button group name must be same. So this is called the group name. So R1 आपने लिखा ना, radio is always came in the group, so the value will be always stored in the one, that is the R1. सबके लिए एक ही वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. अगर आप different value use कर रहे हो, it will be allow you to store in the different one, allow you to select all the radios. Control S, and now show you the output. F5, for example, first select the 0. Now I'm select the 2. You can see I'm not allowed to select everyone. I select only
Yes.
one. Right? Now Malhar, ask your question.
Ma'am, I was asking that the name which are we typing, for example, we typed the R1 in this time, but don't we have to put it in double bracket?
Sorry, don't we have to?
मैम डबल ब्रैकेट में नहीं रखना है उस नेम को, क्योंकि पहले आपने सब में रखा है.
Yes, it will be whenever you putting a double quote, that is also allow you, and that is not also not allowed to you. मतलब आप रखो ना रखो, both are the same. For this
Okay.
one also, radio type में भी आप ऐसा कर सकते हो. Not for only radio, for input time, you can also allow to not to use the double quote. In the form only, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
So you can see the output. It will be not changed. You can allow to select a multiple. Sorry, single one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is a radio button. Let's go ahead for the form. Now we skip this one. I'm going to directly this one checkbox. It will be allowed for the tick mark. For example, for the permission purpose, it for asking for the tick marks, or sometimes it will be asked for that which hobby you want to choose. In place of this, I am taking another checkbox. That is taking a TBR or differentiate it. Now, I'm writing the one thing, which fruit you like more. Now, same as we are doing for the radio button, in place of text, we are writing a radio. Now, in place of radio, write down the checkbox. So it will be converted to the checkbox. So I will be right here in place of radio, checkbox. So it will be converted to the checkbox. Remember what is the difference between the radio and checkbox? In the radio button, you are allowed to only choose one option. But in the checkbox, allowed to use a multiple option. Right? This is the difference between the radio and the checkbox. Whenever you are using a radio, you are allowed to only select a one option, but in the checkbox, you are allowed to use select a multiple option. For example, change the group name. Write down, for example, mango. I am writing here and show you first how the checkbox will be appear to you.
मैम
Yes.
मैम अगर रेडियो की जैसे हम चेकबॉक्स में भी अगर सेम नेम रखे सब में तो भी हम मल्टीपल चूज कर पाएंगे.
Yes.
ओके मैम.
When means a group name if are different, means this name where you are going to save your file, you are allowed to choose a multiple. But that is a rule of checkbox that you can select the multiple one. If you are taking the same name for all the checkbox now, so you are allowed only for one. So let's see how it will be look the checkbox. So F5, taking down. So you can see it's a checkbox. Whenever you click on it, it will be show the right mark to you. Have you seen this type of checkbox in your form? देखा है आपने कभी ऐसा?
मैम मैम जो प्राइवेसी मैम टर्म्स एंड प्राइवेसी होती है मैम उसमें आई अग्री में होता है.
ही है. It's not only one, you can enter more than one. So again taking a copy of it. Now C2. If you are changing the name now, so you are allowed to choose multiple. Mango and or taking one more. And saved it and show you the output. So 3 checkboxes are there. You can select the multiple of your choice. But you can see that I will select 3 of them. If you want to select only 2, you are allowed to select. If you want to select only 1, you are allowed to select. Yes.
Ma'am, there is option. Ma'am, there is an option of selecting. Ma'am, if we want to take other shape for selecting, then what we have to do?
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
मैम इधर हमको सिलेक्ट करने का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, उसमें सर्कल में सिलेक्ट करने का ऑप्शन आ रहा है और नीचे स्क्वायर का है. तो मैम अगर हमको दूसरे शेप का सिलेक्ट करने का ऑप्शन लाना हो तो कैसे?
No, remember, radio button is always came in the round shape. उनकी डेफिनेशन है, हमने कुछ नहीं रखा. Okay, now we saved it. Now, last you can see that is a one button also. That is a one button also. Now we are going to enter a one button in our web page. आपने सारा डेटा फिल किया, लेकिन वो एंटर तो होना चाहिए ना. सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तब ही वो सबमिट होगा, तभी वो सेव होगा, तभी वो डेवलपर के पास सेव ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट होगा. जैसे हम गूगल फॉर्म से टेस्ट लेते हैं, जब तक आप सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक नहीं करते हो, it is not submitted and I am not able to see your test, right? So same thing you have to follow. You have to use the submit button. Place of checkbox, write down the word submit. That's it. Use the word here to submit. And remove this one. Taking a 2 BRs, that will be differentiate for us. Control S, show you the output. F5. On the bottom, there is a one button is there. You can see whenever I go take my cursor on that, color will be slightly changed on the gray. So it will be allow you to submit your data. So firstly, I'm entering all the data for you and show you what will be happen whenever you click on the submit button. For example, I'm entering a name ABC, address R, email address xyz@gmail.com. Now, how many fruits eaten by you? Select a random. Here I'm selecting also random. Now I'm clicking on submit. Have you seen any changes?
No.
मैम वो पेज रिफ्रेश
सारा लिखा हुआ चला गया।
रिफ्रेश हो गया मैम
सारा
पेज
लिखा हुआ चला गया. Submit पे क्लिक किया. So can you tell me, is it submitted?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Friends who
No.
say no, please give me the reason why you say or tell me that it's not saved.
Because the interface is like that which was before.
But
It's
here
like
you are
everything is cleared.
writing name. अपने यहाँ पे तो name लिखा हुआ है. It is submitted. Submit variable, submit file. It's submitted. But sometimes what's happened to Google form I'm talking about, whenever you attend your case, whenever you click on the button, it will be show that your response is saved successfully. Right? जब आप submit button पे click करते हो Google form में, it will be show your response is submitted or saved.
Ma'am.
So for if you want to display, yes.
मैम हम सबमिट करेंगे, जैसे कि हमने हमारा HTML क्रोम में खोला, हमने सबमिट भी कर दिया, तो मैम अगर किसी ने सबमिट किया होगा तो हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि सबमिट हुआ है या नहीं?
पता चलेगा कि फाइल सेव हो गई है. अभी आप इतना ही सीखो, फिर डेवलपिंग के लिए हमारे पास पूरा नेक्स्ट ईयर है. नेक्स्ट ईयर भी HTML आपका पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाला. डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट ईयर भी HTML आएगा ही.
मैम HTML में तो मजा आता है.
ओके, नाउ जैसे मैंने आप Google form बनाते हो, whenever you click on the submit, it will be show a message, your response is saved successfully, right? If you want to show that type of message, you have to create another message. But that is I'm going to create. For example, I'm taking a copy of structure of HTML file. It's only allow the HTML file.
Ma'am.
Can also insert a thank you image.
Ma'am, please show the new one.html.
And write down thank you for the response. ऐसा मैसेज आपको डिस्प्ले होता है. If you want to display that type of message, that purpose you have to create another HTML file and write down your message which will be displayed after a submit button. And for that you have to use the first attribute of the form, that is the action. अभी तक हमने एक ही का यूज किया था, एक एट्रीब्यूट ही हमने यूज किया था, that is the method attribute. Now whenever after clicking on the submit button, if you want to display a message to a user or the candidate, for that purpose you have to use the second attribute, that is the action attribute. Thank you for
कौन सा attribute?
Remember, both files are saved on the same thing. Okay, now I saved it. Place of normal. You find I saved it. जगह पे हम लिखेंगे थैंक यू. Save it now. Here you have to enter one thing. You have to enter one attribute, name the action, write down the file name, thank you.html. The double quote, thank you.html, and save your file. You can add the background color. You can use the font tag for your attractive page. आप use कर सकते हो. मैंने अभी सिंपली ही दिखाया.
मैम हमको new1.html में अगर अलग बैकग्राउंड रखना हो और ये thank you.html
बॉडी में ऐड कर दो ना. फॉर एग्जांपल बीजी कलर जो हमने लास्ट ईयर सीखा था एट्रीब्यूट्स में, बीजी कलर इक्वल्स टू बाय डिफॉल्ट उसमें है येलो, में पर्पल.
ऐसे नहीं, हमको जैसे कि new1.html में अलग बैकग्राउंड रखना हो, thank you.html में अलग बैकग्राउंड रखना हो तो
उसको ना दोनों अलग अलग फाइल है. चलो मैं दिखाती हूँ अभी आपको. मैंने न्यू वन में रखा है पर्पल, अभी मैं थैंक यू में रख रही हूँ. ये रहा हमारा बॉडी. दोनों अलग फाइल है, आप क्यों नहीं रख सकते हो. जैसे मैं रख रही हूँ बीजी कलर. You can also add the background image. It's not necessary that you only enter the color. Color, double quote, thing. Saved it. Now enter your data. For example, I'm entering randomly. gmail.com. Select your choice. And now I'm clicking on the submit button. Whenever you click on the submit button, it will be redirected to the another HTML file. Thank you for the response. आप अपनी तरह से मैसेज लिख सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं आप इतना ही मैसेज लिखो. आप सिंबल्स भी ऐड कर सकते हो, आप इमेज भी ऐड कर सकते हो. थैंक यू. Choice is yours. Same, you are using here a submit button. You can also use the reset button for reset your data. I am taking copy of it. Show the reset. It's a time for another class, so I'm doing in the hurry. So write down the reset. Reset का मतलब क्या होता है? It will be erase the data. F5. So you can see two buttons are there. Submit and reset. आप यहाँ पे डेटा एंटर कर रहे हो, ABC एंटर किया, यहाँ पे PQR एंटर किया, फिर आपने यहाँ पे मेल एड्रेस एंटर किया, फिर यहाँ पे किया और आप भूल गए कि नहीं ये सारी डेटा मेरा गलत है, तो you can click on the reset, so all data will be erased directly. Okay, understood everyone? Now one more thing is remaining in this chapter, that is the drop down list. Select element. One topic only remaining for this chapter. That is also a part of the form, but we will be learning tomorrow as we don't have enough time. I have another class also. So now,
ma'am, please show the very coding.